Hey guys, today is going to be a very productive day, I hope, anyway, so I thought I would show you like what I'm doing, like a kind of productive day in my life. I was going to film like a clean with me video, but I'm going to like do it all in the one video because I have a bit to do. I have to clean my studio, I've got 2 Halloween videos to do, I need to take some product photos, yeah, so I've got a bit of stuff to do, so I thought we could do it together. So yeah, I think I'm going to start by cleaning my desk because I need some room to be able to do my, you know, film and stuff today. And then I can take my product photos and everything. So yeah, we'll start by cleaning. So yeah, I'll do that now. Okay, so I've still got a bit of stuff to do, but I don't have any storage left on my camera because I've been just pre-filming and haven't been uploading any videos, so all of the videos are just on my camera, so I'm going to have to go inside and edit a video or two so that I can get some storage back on my camera. So I'm going to go do that now, and then I'll come back out and finish up in here, you know, when I actually can film it. Okay, so everything's looking pretty clean now. So all I need to do now is I'm gonna take my product photos, then I've got a couple videos to film, and then when I'm done filming I'm gonna attempt to wash my brushes. I said I was gonna do it like the other day and then I forgot, so we'll see. I'll at least wash like one pot. So yeah, but anyway, I'm gonna take my product photos now. Got some cool new stuff in here. So yeah, I'll do that now, and then yeah, that'll be it pretty much.